You work hard to build wealth, years of efforts, years of sacrifice, but one lawsuit, one business failure, or one family dispute can put everything at risk. So the real question is, can wealth be protected legally? The answer is yes. And one of the most powerful tools to do that is a properly structured trust. The presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisory Group, Noida, a multi-disciplinary advisory firm providing business advisory services including CFO support, income tax, insolvency, PMLA, buffet, real estate, and commercial legal advisory. Let us now begin today's presentation. What is asset protection? Asset protection does not mean hiding assets. It does not mean illegal transfers. Assets protection means planning ownership in advance so personal risks do not destroy family wealth. And the most effective way to do this is through a private trust. What is a trust? Let us understand this simply. In a trust, there are three people. First, the settlor, the person who creates the trust. Second, the trustee who holds and administers assets for beneficiaries. And third, the beneficiaries, the people who receive the benefits. Here is the key points. Ownership and benefit are separated. This separation is the foundation of assets protection. Once assets are transferred into a trust, they are no longer personal assets of the settlor. This means personal creditors cannot automatically attach trust property. Trust assets do not appear on individuals' balance sheets. This is extremely important for business owners, promoters, professionals. But this protection is not unlimited. Indian law is very clear. If a trust is created to defeat or delay creditors, courts can ignore it. If assets are transferred after liabilities have already arisen, protection may fail. So remember this, timing and intent are important matters. A trust must be created as a genuine wealth planning tool, not as an escape route. Indian courts, including the Supreme Court, have repeatedly held this principle that trust property belongs to the trust, not to the settlor, not to the trustee personally. Trustees cannot treat trust assets as their own property, and trust assets cannot be alienated unless it is beneficial to trust itself. This confirms one important point: a genuine trust creates a strong legal wall around assets. Now let us talk about family disputes. Without a trust, properties can get partitioned, shares get fragmented, businesses lose control, litigation lasts for years. With a trust, assets remain intact. Beneficiaries receive income or benefits, but assets are not physically divided. This ensures family harmony, wealth continuity, and business stability. Real estate is one of the biggest beneficiaries of trust structures. Properties held in trust cannot be partitioned by heirs, is protected from individual insolvency, is insulated from divorce risks. Leasing, development, or sale happens strictly as per the trust deed. Trusts are extremely effective for holding promoters' shareholding, unlisted equity, LLP, and partnership interests. To ensure continuity of control, stable voting rights, smooth succession across generations, businesses survive even when individuals do not. Court may lift the wheel if the trust is only on paper. These trustees lack independence, or the structure is used to defeat creditors. That is why professional drafting and early planning are absolutely critical. Effective assets protection requires creating the trust well before a risk arises. Independent trustees, proper valuation and documentation, clear distribution rules, and regular legal and tax compliance. A trust is not a one-time act, it is a long-term strategy. A trust is not a shortcut, it is not a loophole, it is a legal structure for protecting wealth, preserving businesses, and maintaining family harmony. The best time to create a trust is before you need it. If you are a business owner, promoter, or professional exposed to financial risk, plan early. Because once litigation starts, it is often too late. This is CA and insolvency professional Praveen Agrawal signing off. Looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.